Dear students, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, based on the time zone at presently you are staying. First of all, I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. This is Data Science video lesson number 9. You know very well, I am Selvamani Krishnamurthy, who is sitting in front of you. So as usual, I like to share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to all. Good. Today, let us study how to create one array from text file. Before already we studied how to create one array using list, that is np.array. Then we also studied how to create one array by giving range of values with the name of a range function. Now let us study creating one array from text file. See, there are two methods to load data as array from file. One is loadtxt, another one is gen from txt. What it means? There are two ways. One is loadtxt, another one is gen from txt. The difference between these two I will teach you later. See, I have one text file in my computer. Values are stored in order in that text file. I want to create one numpy array based on the values stored in text file in my laptop. This is what our aim. So what are the syntax we need to give? See it here. Yes, data2 is a one array which is to be created. Loadtxt is a one method available under numpy. Within open bracket, we have to give some argument. First one is text file name along with the path. In this case, I stored one file in E drive data2.txt. Here delimiter. The values in data2.txt separated by comma. Skip rows. First row I want to skip. I don't want first row. D type. All data available in the text file is integer. I want to convert. Unpack true. Either row wise or column wise. Let us see. Each rows while using loadtxt, each rows in a text file must have same number of values. For example, first row need to have 5 values. Second row also need to have 5 values. That is the meaning of each row in text file must have same number of values. All values should be same data type except header row. Okay, all values should be, if it is integer means all integer. Text means all text like this. There should not be any missing values. Each row should have 5 means all rows should have 5. One row 5, another row 4, it is not allowed. Delimiter, that is equal to within single quotes comma, denotes the delimiter in the text file is comma. Okay, each and every value available in the text file should be separated by comma. Default delimiter is space. By default it will be space. If you want, you can give comma. Skip rows equal to 1. Denote skipping of first row, that is header row. Header row I don't want, that should be skipped. D type equal to int. It denotes extracted values should be stored as integer into array. Unpack equal to true. It denotes column-wise values are extracted from text file. Column-wise I want to extract. If unpack equal to true, we didn't give means what will happen? Row-wise values will be extracted from text file. I hope this is clear to all. Now let us proceed to small coding. Before proceed to coding, see, I need to create one data2.txt. In data2.txt, roll number M1, M2, M3. That is, I want to store some student details, their roll number and 3 subjects, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. All values are separated by space. All the rows contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows contains 4 values, 4 values, 4 values. Except title row, all are same data type, integer data type. I hope is it clear. After creating data1.txt, I want to create one array, numpy array, with the values available in data1.txt. See, this is the coding. As usual, I import numpy as np. This is the array which is I want to create. np.loadtxt is a function. Here I need to give file name along with the path. First row I want to skip. I don't want this row. Roll number M1, M2, M3, I don't want. So it creates one two-dimensional array from data1.txt. Values in data1.txt are separated by space. By default, space. That is why I never give a delimiter. So what is available here? Data1.sData1 is displayed. All the values available in data1.txt except first row is displayed in the form of float, not integer. Is it clear? 1.0, 10 point, 20 point, 30 point, like this. All are available in row wise. But I want to display, I want to create one array, all values available in data1.txt as an integer type. See, I have to add d type equal to int. Here I didn't give d type equal to int. That means all values are in float. Since I gave d type equal to int means all values extracted from data1.txt will be stored as int. I hope this is clear. Now I will demonstrate the same thing in front of you so that it will be easy for you. Same coding I can write in front of you. Before that, I need to create one text file under E drive. So I need to create one text file. The name of the text file should be data1. So I need to create one data1 text file. What is the values I needed? Same values available. Okay, here. See it here. First roll number separated by space. M1 separated by space. All values should be separated by space. One is the first student roll number is about 10, 20, 30. Second student roll number, he got 100, 90, 80. Third student, he got 11, 22, 33. Fourth student, he got 99, 88, 77. I type 5 student list. All values are separated by space. Okay, I save it. Fine. Now I need to import numpy as np. So I need one array, yes, data1, which is to be created. np dot here loadtxt. Already I created one txt under E drive. E:/ data1.txt. This is my text file which contains values separated by space. So skip rows. How many rows I want to skip? Only one row I need to skip. Only one row I want to skip. Okay, that's all. So now let us check data1. All the data available in data1.txt will be stored as a one array. I hope this is clear. See, all the values are stored as float. Am I right? I will copy this one. I need one more cell under this. Here I can paste. Same thing here. Comma. Okay, d type equal to integer. That means what? All values are stored as integer, not float. I hope this is clear. Am I right? Whatever values I created in data1.txt is available here. Good. Now let us proceed. See, instead of delimiter space, in this case, I have another text file data2.txt. Here, delimiter is not space, delimiter is comma. Okay, I created one file called data2.txt with 4 student details. All values are separated by comma. How I can retrieve the values in the form of array? Small changes. We need to add delimiter equal to within single quotes comma. Everything fine. Okay, this is the value. See it here. In addition to that, here by default, all values are extracted in the form of row wise. See 1, 10, 20, 30. This is first row. See first row. Second student detail 290, 80, 290, 80. Like this it comes. Instead of extracting values in row wise, I want to extract in column wise. That means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. See like this. 10, 100, 11, 99 like that. What are the changes? Small changes. Unpack equal to true. That's all. This unpack equal to true makes extraction of values in column wise, not row wise. Let us demonstrate. I need one more cell here. Good. Okay, same thing I can copy paste. Small changes I can make. Here, I want to make sdata2. This is a new array. Before that, I need to create one more file called data2.txt in D drive. Already I have one file, data1.txt. I can copy, paste. Wherever space is there, I will change it as comma. Okay. Otherwise, you can create new file also, no problem. Since we don't have enough time, I just copy, paste. I rename the file as data2. This data2 should have some student details, but not separated by space. It should be separated by comma. Replace RC. This is what I need. Data2.txt contains some student details. All are separated by comma, not space. I save it. Now let us come to here. So data2, so far no problem. Okay. So only thing is here, this one. The data2.txt skip row is there. In here, I need to add delimited within single quotes, comma. So space is default, no need to worry. Here I need to give delimited, comma. I hope is it clear. Let us check. So see it here. Now we are extracting data available in data2.txt, which are separated by comma. But all values are extracted in the form of row wise. I want column wise. Same thing I will copy. I will add one more cell below here. At last, unpack equal to true. If unpack true is missing means all values will be extracted in the form of row wise. Now it will be extracted in the form of column wise. Let us check. See it here 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 100, 11, 99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 100, 11. Okay, is it fine? I hope it is clear to all. Let us proceed. See it here. So far, we are creating two-dimensional array based on the values available in text file. I want to create first row, that is 1, 10, 20, 30. First student details as a separate array. Second student, second array, that should be in separate array. Here I need 4 array, one-dimensional array. Okay, STU1, student 2, student 3, student 4. np.loadtxt, same thing. It creates 4 one-dimensional arrays. Each row of data2.txt will be created as different array. Is that clear? Very simple. Same way here. Unpack true is there. That means what? Each column will be created as one-dimensional array. Roll number separately, mark 1 separately, mark 2 separately, mark 3 separately. In this case, it creates 4 one-dimensional arrays. Each column of data 2.txt will be created as different array. Okay, let us demonstrate. I will add one more cell. Same thing I will copy here. Okay, now fine. Now instead of only one array, I need to specify 4 array, 4 one-dimensional array. That means student 1 details, student 2 details, student 3 details, student 4 details, I need separately. Okay, now I can print student 1. I can copy paste 2, 3, 4. Let us change. Student 1 will contain student 1 details. Same thing. Student 3, student 4. Let us check. See it here. STU1 contains roll number. I think unpack removed. This is again column wise. See it here. Okay. Student 1 roll number, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. Student 2 details, student 3 details, student 4 details. Same way, I need to extract the data individual array column wise. How I can do it? Now let us change the name. Roll number separately, all marks 1 separately, all marks 2 separately, all marks 3 separately. Here I need to give unpack because I want to extract each column different one-dimensional array. Unpack equal to true. Instead of student 1, I can type roll number. That means first column 1, 2, 3, 4 will be stored in one array as roll number. M1, that means 10, 100, 11, 99. Similarly, all marks 2 will be stored in marks 2, all marks 3 will be stored in marks 3. Let us check. Is it clear? That means column wise, I am getting separate array. What will happen if our text file contains some missing values other than number? We are extracting values in the type of integer type. All are numbers, but if it is there, what we got to do? See the third next one. See here, I have one text file, data3.txt. First row, heading row, that's fine. 1, 10, 20, 30, that's also fine. Here also fine. See the third student details. Mark 3 is missing. That means some values are missing. See the fourth row, 4, Selva. Instead of number, some text is there. If the data 3 contains some missing values and non-integer values, what will happen? It returns error. It returns error. Let us demonstrate. Before that, I need one text file. That is data3.txt. As usual, I can copy. I can paste. I just rename as 3. Let us change the value same way. I remove 33, some missing value. Instead of 99, I type some text value. Okay, now you know very well, this Selva cannot be converted into integer. All rows don't have same number of values. Some missing values are there in data 3. Okay, now let us proceed. After that, I will add below. I will copy the same thing here, this one. Delimiter, comma. Let us, I can select this one. Now it's clearly working. So far, no problem. I just change it. Data 3, everything fine. Here, data 3. That means what? It should show some error. See it here, what error it shows? Converting the data. That means what? Here, some numerical values only allowed, but Selva is there. Similarly, some missing values are also there. It contains some missing values also there. That is why it shows error. If Selva is removed in this place, 19 placed. Third student, third mark is 33. Our work program will work perfectly. I hope it is clear to all. Okay, let us go for recap. Very simple recap for loadtxt. Each row in the text file must have same number of values. Otherwise, it shows error. All values should be same data type. Integer means all integer. Float means all float. Otherwise, it will error. There should not be any missing values. That means each row should have same number of column. Skip row denotes skipping how many rows. If your heading row is only one, skip row is equal to 1. Delimiter denotes the delimiter are values separated by which character. Default delimiter is space. D-type denotes extracted values should be stored as which data type. In this example, we worried about integer. Unpack equal to true denotes column-wise values extracted from text file. If unpack equal to true is missing, what will happen? Row-wise values are extracted from text file. Is it clear? I hope all of you enjoyed this lesson. In next lesson, let us study something extra. Until then, thank you, student. Have a nice good day. Bye-bye. See you.